What's up guys, today I'm with my neighbor and he told me there was a photo contest in our city with the university, so we are attending this photo contest and we are here on a... Comment on dit un chantier?
Construction place.
We are on a construction place taking photographs and we are going to try something different today. We are going to try tilt shift. We don't have any tilt shift lenses, but we are going to try to replicate that effect in post with Photoshop or Lightroom or whatever. There are a few spots in the city where we are going to shoot and we are going to try it out, so let's go! What's up, Amandine in the vlog?
What's up, boy?
I don't know if what we are doing is totally legal, because, you know, it's a construction place. Yes, anyway, we are taking pictures. And, by the way, what is tilt shift? It's when you have the impression that the thing which is taken in picture is so small, like the background is blurry and the foreground is also blurry. So it gives an impression that it is like a small world, a really tiny world. Like if it was a maquette. Ça se dit, a maquette? There is water in my lens. Wait a minute. Here is a couple of pictures we took with the tilt shift effect. I know my hairs are like, I just removed that, but yes, like that you see what is a tilt shift picture. And now we are going to move in another place to take other pictures. So another great thing with our city is that there is no cars. Cars cannot come in the city, so it's easier to take pictures. You can go anywhere without being disrupted by cars and stuff, so that's really cool. So yes, there is a bunch of cool things to capture. We will not only take tilt shift pictures, but any pictures, so yeah. For the moment it's going well, I think. And it's pouring rain, so there are nice reflections on the ground, so even cooler. So heading to another location. I think I will say that a lot in this vlog because we will move a lot in the city to take a bunch of pictures. Vlogging Casey Neistat style on my bike with my camera. You cheated! Let's shoot some birds. That's intense. Let's shoot some birds with our camera. Don't worry, we are not hunters. So what is going on right now is he wants the birds to run after him. You look great! A lot of style! So we dropped the bikes on our way to take other pictures. Do you want a waffle? I wish I could buy a waffle, but I don't have any money. To take another picture, we are going to go on a rooftop.
Been blocked because there was too many people coming here, so we can't go.
In the shopping mall, in the camera store, there is a way to go here. So yes, I think I got the shot. But now, yes, I forgot to tell you, I'm on a solo mission. I'm now alone, but now I'm going to head over another location to take another picture. I'm at the train station, which is right over there, and I think that the key to nice tilt shift shots is high. You gotta be high, you don't have to smoke weed, but you gotta be high over the thing you are shooting. For example, here I'm shooting the train. It's better if you are over it and you are shooting down. So that's the best advice I can tell you if you wanna get some nice tilt shift pictures. And yes, I did started the photo shoot with my neighbor, but now I'm continuing alone because he had something to do. It smells like fries right now. I wanna get some fries so much, but so I wanna get fries so much, but I don't have any money on me. So, and now the last place to shoot today, at least I think it will be the last place to shoot. It is from there. You know, I told ya, high is the key. But the city is not really crowded anymore, so it will be a bit hard, because still shift is way better when there are people in the street, and here, pretty empty. Gotta deal with it. Whatever. There is really no one here outside now. The city was crowded like half an hour ago, and now empty. Oh yes, people are coming. I think I got them. I don't know. My little photo shoot is over. I had the drone in my backpack just in case, but the weather right now is not really drone friendly, so yeah, whatever, not a big deal, but yeah, kind of a bummer, but let's head back home. It is pouring rain outside. I'm soaked. And by the way, the building you see right over there, that's my school. I think today's photo shoot was a success, even though I had to finish it alone because my neighbor had to go, and even though I'm completely soaked right now, even my camera. But yes, I think today was a great photo shoot. It's not that I am a big fan of Elvis Presley, but my dad put that on my door today, so his best concert. Why not? So let's arrange that. As I just said, I think today's photo shoot was a big success. I don't know if it was a big success, but I think we got some great pictures, even though the weather was really bad. But that's not a big deal, cause I love bad weather to take pictures, at least. You have a nice sky and then you have some nice reflection with the water on the ground, but whatever. If you're interested in tilt shift photography and also videography, cause you can do that effect on video too, I already made a video about that in the past. If you wanna see that, click right there. But it is in French, considering it was a while ago when I was still talking in French in my YouTube's video. So if you liked that effect and you want me to make another tutorial more in depth about that topic, let me know in the comments and maybe I will do that tutorial. But yes, that's it for me today, guys. I hope you liked this video and you know what to do, like, subscribe and all the stuff, and I will see you guys in the next one.